The great thing about training with a kettlebell is you can provide resistance to the body in whole body movements that are rhythmic and fluid. A lot of the kettlebell workouts that I see online are clunky and clumsy and just using the kettlebell as an ordinary form of resistance. Instead of trying to minimize how much momentum you use, which is the goal of a lot of traditional training, you should be maximizing that momentum and learning to control it. Much more relevant to real life and to sporting situations. So here are some of my favorite kettlebell exercises. You don't need a lot of weight if you're using correct leverage and momentum. I use 6 kg, and to be fair, it's probably a little bit too heavy for quite a lot of these exercises. So check them out, give them a go.
Go.